Good morning to all. The topic of my lecture is terpenes and terpenoids. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the basic terminology that involve in terpene and terpenoids. We will see the definition, examples, various structure and classification of terpenoids and isoprene rule. We will also see how this isoprene rule is useful in understanding the various structures of terpenes and terpenoids. Terpenes and terpenoids are natural products. These are mainly synthesized from the plants. Terpenes are made up of isoprene units. They have two or more isoprene units as their structural feature. Isoprene is C5H8, that is, all terpenes are built up from C5 isoprene units. Hence, terpenes are also denoted as isoprenoids. When it contains carbon and hydrogen only, it is terpenes. And when it contains carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, it is known as terpenoids. In other words, oxygenated derivative of terpenes is known as terpenoids. These oxygenated derivatives are isolated in the form of alcohol, aldehydes, ketones, and esters, etc. About 30,000 terpenes are known in literature. Terpenoids have a general formula C5H8. Let us see the classification of terpenes. As we know that the terpenes are made up of isoprene units. Depending upon how many units of isoprene it contains, terpenes are classified into mono, di, tri, tetra, sesqui, and sester terpenoids. Monoterpenes contain 2 isoprene units. Diterpenes contains 4 isoprene units. Triterpenes contain 6 isoprene units. Tetraterpenes contain 8 isoprene units. Sesquiterpenes contains 3 and sesterterpenes contains 5 isoprene units. When it contains odd number of isoprene units, it is known as sesqui and sester terpenes. इस प्रकार हम देखते हैं कि मोनोटर्पीन्स में 10 कार्बन एटम्स, डाई में 20 कार्बन एटम्स, ट्राई में 30 कार्बन एटम्स एंड टेट्रा में 40 कार्बन एटम्स होते हैं. सेस्क्वी और सेस्टर टर्पिनॉइड्स में 15 एंड 25 कार्बन एटम्स होते हैं. When terpenoids contain more than 100 isoprene units, it is known as polyterpenes, which is a natural rubber. Now we discuss about the examples of terpenes and terpenoids. The common examples of terpenes and terpenoids are xeraniol, myrcene, citral, menthol, terpineol, pinene, etc. First we take myrcene. Myrcene, it is a acyclic molecule and contains 10 number of carbon atoms and 3 double bonds. It is a major content of bay leaf. Second is citral. It is alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde and here it again contains 10 number of carbon atoms found in lemon. Next, menthol. It is present in mint leaves. Xeraniol. It is present in rose oil. Terpenoil. It is present in seeds of cardamom. These 3 examples, xeraniol, menthol and terpineol, these are the examples of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. Since they contain oxygen in the form of alcoholic group, primary, secondary and tertiary, it contains carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. They are called as terpenoids. Pinene. It is bicyclic structure and extracted from resins of pine trees. They isolated the chemical turpentine, which contained the alpha and beta pinene. And because of this turpentine oil, the word terpenes and terpenoid derived. Beta carotene. It contains C40 carbon atoms and 11 conjugated double bond. It has a very high lambda max value. The red color of beta carotene is due to the red color of carrot is due to the beta carotene. As well as the structure of terpenes concerns. It can be acyclic like myrcene, xeraniol, citrol. It can be monocyclic, for example, limonene, phelendrine, menthol, etc. It can be bicyclic also, which is present in alpha pinene, beta pinene. The next we take isoprene rule. We already said that the isoprene unit is building block of terpenes. Isoprene molecule is a branched molecule. Branched portion is called head and unbranched portion is called as tail. Theoretically, there are three possibilities that these two isoprene units are connected by head to head linkage, tail to tail linkage, or head to tail linkage. But the nature is very systematic. It is observed that most of the part of structures of terpenoid contain isoprene unit joined through head to tail linkage. So this linkage of isoprene unit through head to tail linkage is called as isoprene rule. It is given by Ruzicka and Valla. They observed the two main observations. First observation, the empirical formula of all terpenoid is C5H8, and second observation, the thermal decomposition of all the terpenoids gives isoprene. On the basis of these two observations, they conclude that terpenes are made up of isoprene units and they are joined through head to tail linkage, and this is called as isoprene rule. The isoprene rule detects how isoprene units are joined together in a head to tail configuration. The tail of the first molecule joins the head of the second molecule to form a larger unit. The simplest example is myrcene. Thank you.